guys, what's up? It's Maritza back with another Halloween video. Today's look is this safety pinned SFX look. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, just keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm taking some liquid latex that you can get at the Halloween store or at Walmart, and I'm taking a little white triangle sponge and I am placing down where I want my smile to be. I'm going for like a sinister smile, and then I'm taking some tissue and I am putting that on top of the liquid latex. And then I'm covering the tissue with another layer of latex. And then I add some cotton to the center of the mouth. I'm just using a cotton ball that I spread apart. And then again covering that with liquid latex as well. The latex is all dried up, I go over it with some translucent powder to take away the stickiness, and then I also cover it with my foundation shade to blend it into my skin. To make the cut in the mouth, I'm just taking some little small scissors. You want to be very careful not to like poke yourself again, and just take your time. And then I went over with some more liquid latex and tissue on the top of my mouth because it was kind of coming off. So if you have that problem, just put some more liquid latex. And then I'm taking the scissors again and I'm cutting some of the extra latex from the mouth so you can see the smile more better. And then I'm covering the inside mouth area black to hide my actual mouth. And then I'm taking some purple and black grease paint and I am putting that around the edges of the wound, and also bringing that up my eye area to my forehead. And then with black eyeshadow, I'm dirtying up my eyes, making them dark. And I'm doing this very messily. And now I'm taking some Graftovian blood gel and I'm putting that around the mouth area, and then taking some safety pins, I am putting them through the mouth area and closing them. Again, you want to be very careful and take your time while doing this. You don't want to poke yourself, so just be very careful. And then I'm taking my stippling sponge with more fake blood and I am going around the mouth area again and bringing that up to my eyes and forehead as well. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween tutorials. If you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it and I can like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.